Hello traders, in today's morning update, okay, the first thing that you should know is that all systems in Deriv are functioning correctly. As you can see, the MT5, dbot, email delivery, CTrader, everything has 100% operation rate, all right? And there is no major incident today. So guys, today you don't have to worry about anything. And when it comes to the latest update in Deriv, this is the latest article by Deriv. Deriv is changing the volatility game with the new volatility switch indices, all right, whereby you could trade a synthetic index that not only moves randomly but also changes according to clear periods of market activity, just like real markets. Okay, now that's what volatility switch indices offers, a structured way to trade volatility changes all in a single instrument. Okay, I'll be covering more of this, so just go check it out, go read out the article. All right, as you can see, these volatility switch indices will allow you to trade all the best volatilities at once. Okay, yeah, it is available in the Deriv MT5 and the Deriv CTrader, so please go check it out. Okay, as you can see, instead of switching between indices to match changing market conditions, the volatility switch index provides all three volatility phases in a single instrument. All right, so this is a very interesting topic. Ensure you go to the Deriv blog page and check this out. I'll post the link in my description if you want to just click and head here directly. But yeah, guys, today as you trade, I wish you all the best. Use the correct strategies, don't overtrade, ensure you have a target profit, ensure you have a stop loss, and yeah, so that you end up incurring a profit. All right, and again, don't overtrade, okay, because you don't want to blow your account. And guys, have a good luck as you trade today, and let us meet in the afternoon.